Hello, everybody, on this beautiful Tuesday morning. So, I'm going to do something different with Make Me an Offer today. I have a gallon of my Miracle Growth water, and this is the one that I personally make for myself because, even though I make the product, sometimes I don't always shampoo my hair when I prepare mine. So, the one that I make, I don't have to throw out. Yeah. Like it's been sitting already for a week and it's still good. Actually a week. No, 2 weeks because I went out of town, came back, it's a whole nother week. About 2 weeks. So I just topped it off. But this is so strong, guys, and it is a gallon. So it can be yours if you make the right offer. Make the right offer, you have to send me an email now. So send an email to miraclegrowthwater@gmail.com. If I accept the offer, this will be on the way to you. And this is actually 8 pounds and some 8 pounds and something ounces. This is 8 pounds worth of pre-mixed, super potent, my personal ingredients, my personal regimen, because I put a little bit more in mine than I do to the one that I sell you guys. So, yeah. If you want it, send me an email, miraclegrowthwater@gmail.com. And happy growing and good luck to the lucky winner.